Start. Start.
Okay. Friday, as like to every day, we also continue. Those lessons which you are start on yesterday, I also cover them. Begin as earlier as that are plus point. You can get down that. Once again, I write the name of lesson: metal and non-metal. When you study about that lesson, which title they can be shown? Because of that headlines, because of that slogan, because of that one point which can be showing the name of lesson, metal and non-metal. So I know very well these are the types of elements are there, but types of element, how you call them metal? Because of calling, because of declaration, because of any formation of that two elements, that lesson run out. Yesterday we observed all T diagram to say how I said it, on which basis I can try to say these you are vectors. Because of saying that lesson carry out. That's why those titles which can be same for that lesson, he says that right name. These are the separation of element in the form of metal as well as non-metal. That are the real meaning of lesson. He is not given title of lesson, types of element. It directly attack on student. These are the categories. You can be once again trying to find if you are whatever that are able to say them, they are definitely metals. That's the name of lesson, metal and non-metal. Sir, if we start that lesson, that time first of all we move into what the two types of question are. Which are the types of element? Which are the types of element? And which are the household apparatus which are used in daily work? When you observe that element, is given what I said. Elements can be classified in major classes. First of all, metal. Second of all, non-metal. Last of all, metalloid. That's why you start that lessons are the number of students which are present on that side are that we asking certain types of questions which directly attach to the title. Sir ask question, which are the types of element? Some students say that's a metal, some are say the non-metal, while some are able to say metalloid or not that. Because that types of that element which can be shown name of that is. That's the first direct point angle toward the lesson. Which are the types of element? That element can be classified into three major types, main types: metal, non-metal, and metalloid. I want that proper answer. That time my teaching become easier. Next of all, asking questions, sir, which types of instrument used in laboratory in your house? If you observe electrical wire, that time it is made from copper. If you are pressure cooker, anodizing panels, windows, everyone which are made in your houses, they are also made from metals. That's why metal is the needed. Without metal, you can't do any iron in the. But the gold, sodium, potassium, number of elements which are present inside are there. He says that if you want to measure them, that time these are the metals. Sir, if it is worth, two questions say for you. These are the types of elements. Second of all, which are the different instruments which are used in daily purpose? When Earth occurred, I say about 2.5 crore billions of ago, on Earth there is the sand, soil, rocky particles, air, moisture, humidity, air. That's why on Earth's surface it can be of three types. First of all, mixture, compound, and last of all, third is which is this element. These are the substance, these are the material, these are the thing, matter in which everywhere they can be at that age of. Now it may be occurring in the form of compound, it may be occurring in the form of mixture, otherwise it can be occurring in the form of element. Say that number reaches 118 are you study about deep about elements, that time that element can be classified into two major ways. First of all metal and last of all non-metal. In short, question asking method in your textbook say the name. Can you recall previously knowledge, background history? Those are related to that lesson. First of all, I ask and inspire the student. That's why first question, which are the types of element? Which instrument used in daily purpose? In earth, it can be occurring in three forms: element, compound, mixture. If elements are what? That time scientists try to do different form of it. That's why they classify it into many types. First of all, metal, and last of all, non-metal. Sir, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, gold, copper, silver. These are the all metals. But is I confidently say you are metals? Because of saying, I use the first of all clue, signal, which pathway I follow to come towards saying you are metals. That's why which physical state, luster, brightness, conduction of heat, conduction of electricity, malleability, ductility, hardness, density, and sonorous. These are the extrinsic physical morphology. Those can be appeared without touching. Easier minds confidently say to you, you are. That's why one by one you can learn to call metals. First, it is known as physical step. Physical step. Sir, what is the physical step? Physical step is the location, position, nature, native, alive space, survive area in which they occur. All metals, majority, maximum, they can be occurring in solid form. But others are the which are mercury, steel, and gallium. It is occurring liquid form at room temperature. That's why one hint are allowed to say all elements are metal. When all element, if it is formed in the form of solid, that time it is known as metal. That metal can be exception to mercury. They are occurring liquid phase. They belong from metals, but does not show in solid form. Instead of solid, they can be shown in liquid form. That's one physical step showing about it. I say summarize for that property. Is this all metals can be occurring in solid phase except mercury and gallium, which is occurring in liquid phase. In your textbook, simple and solid example allow. When you visit to doctor or when you are illness or fever, that time it can be holded thermometer near side of your tongue or any part of body. That time mercury attached with body, that mercury rises the temperature. That mercury occur in liquid phase, although belong from family metal. That's why physical state. All metals, majority can be occur in one form, solid, except mercury. Second topic, let's jump. See student. Sir, material lecture is brightness, glowing everything, sunrise, reflecting double power. If it is done, are the element which I chosen, they are, suppose that I can take a copper vessel. That copper vessel can be rubbed with sandpaper. That time, that copper vessel double reflected. If it is double reflected, that time it is also one type of property of metal. Metal showing, metal possesses luster. Luster is also one type of property. From that stage we cover two, physical state and brightness or luster. Luster, metal showing maximally property luster, not lusterness. If it is sunshine nature occurring element, that time it is also one type of metal. Third, malleability. You take copper vessel. If you hold copper vessels with the help of technological apparatus, I can be strike and hammer on them. That time copper vessel or copper lead which are related with copper increase its area, volume, region, space, how much area it can be covers are there out of margin. I say here area changes, shape and size and also volume changes. If it is expanded in another region, that time that element known as malleable and property malleability. What means malleability? Property of metal which withstand hammering, turn into thin sheet. It is known as malleability. Malleability is also property shown by metals. That's why today we can discuss another topic, which is this malleability. Malleability means its area increases. If area increases, that time it is known as malleable, and property which you held, it is known as malleability. Second, fourth of all, ductility. Sir, what do you mean by ductility? Suppose that you can take 1 gram of gold or silver. That 1 gram of gold pulled toward both sides. If it is stretched toward both sides, are there that time length? What I say? Length increases. If length increases, that time that metal is a ductile metal. Property ductile. Ability of metal which can be turned into thin. What I say? Thin wire. That time it is known as ductility. Once again I show which property up to now we learn. Physical state. All metals can be occur in solid phase except mercury and gallium, which is occur at liquid phase at room temperature. Metal possesses luster, malleability, ability of metal which turn into thin sheet. Malleability shown by once again. Why you do, sir? Number of testers go around them to try to find and say, are you metals? Because of confirmation of all elements. Again to say metals, who is your study going on? That's the 4 properties we can know. Then physical state, luster, malleability, ductility. Remains after tomorrow we can reconsider. That's why which point we can learn on today. Real information of metal and non-metal, some question asking method. We start physical property. Up to now we cover 4 physical properties. Physical state, luster, malleability, ductility. Tomorrow we can conduct the remaining property. Okay, thank you.